round up out. Well, today is going to be our last day where we're going to be thinking about shapes. So I'm going to have a quick go and see if you've learnt your shapes this week and if you've managed to remember some of their properties. So that means how many sides they've got and how many pointy corners. Are you ready? Okay, this one has got 3 straight sides and 3 pointy corners. What is it? A triangle. Well done if you got that one right. Let's try again. Ooh, this has got 4 straight sides and 4 pointy corners, and the sides are all the same length. What is it? A square. Well done. Ooh, this has got 1 curved side and no pointy corners. It is a circle. Last one. Ooh, this has got 2 long sides and 2 short sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 pointy corners. So 2 long and 2 short. It is a rectangle. Well done. I know you've been busy learning those this week. If you're still not quite sure, you can carry on practicing them with your grown-ups. Right, well, today is a special day because it's Santa's Swim Wednesday, the Welsh Valentine's Day. So today, with our maths, we're going to be having a look at some of these shapes, some little hearts. So we're going to start off by counting hearts, and then I'm going to show you an activity that you can make with your grown-ups to help you practice some of your math skills, okay? Now we know, don't we, that when we count, if we have a big group of objects, like I've got this group of hearts here, it's really tricky to count them when they're all muddled up and in a big group together. Remember what we normally do to make it easier for us? Yes, we move them, don't we? And we usually move them into a line if we can. So we'll have a go at doing that now to see if I can count all these hearts here. Do you think you can help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I've forgotten where I'd got up to. What can I do? I can just count them again, can't I? And then count on. Let's have a go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 hearts there, and they're all in a line. Now I'm going to put some hearts up for you now, but there are pictures of them and you're not going to be able to put them into a line like this, so you're going to have to think carefully about how you can count them. Maybe start at the top corner of the screen and work your way down and see if you can count how many hearts there are. Reception, you can see if you can count how many hearts there are all together, because you are going to have some adding up sums too. Four. 4. 5. 8.
6. 5. 7.
Da Well, seeing as it's Census Dwin Wednesday, we should probably do some counting and Gymraeg as well in Welsh. Should we have a go at counting all the way up to 10 in Welsh? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Da iawn. Give yourselves a little fairy clap. Super counting. See if you can practice that one at home too. Right, this afternoon then, I thought we could make our very own hearts. Now, I got myself some sheets of plain paper, but you could use anything. You could even use boxes from your recycling. And I drew lots of heart shapes on there. Now, I really wanted to have some pink paper, but I didn't have any, so I've just coloured my hearts in like this. So lots and lots of heart shapes. And we're going to be making our own mini jigsaws now, using these hearts. So all you do is take them one at a time, and then you cut them in half. And you might want to get your grown-ups to help you with this, because we cut them in half, make a bit of a zigzag pattern, and we're going to be doing some matching. So I would like you to have a think with your grown-ups about something that you're practicing. So you might be practicing to recognise your numbers and practicing counting. So with your heart, you can cut it in half, and then on one half you could put the number, and on the other side you could put dots to match that number. So I've got number 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 dots, and those pieces fit together. So you could have a go at doing lots of different numbers like that. If you're in reception and you've been practicing your adding up, you could have an adding up sum on one side. So 5 add 1. So 5 and 1 more. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6! And then you could either write the number down, or you could find the right number of dots. So here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. So you could do some adding up ones. If you're still practicing your shapes, you could maybe have some shape matching ones, just like that. And I've even done some extra ones where we've been practicing our sounds. We've got and apple. So these are so easy to make, and then you can keep them out all week and see if you can practice putting your two halves together and finding the ones that match. So see if you can have a go at making that game together today. Okay, hwyl fawr, see you soon.